Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Even if you don't think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, every restaurant owner should follow these simple steps. We all know you clean the oil in your fryer, but if you've taken a look on the outside, grease typically builds up on the outside of those and provides a great food source for rats. Make sure you scrape it down and clean it every day. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. The last thing you want at your restaurant is some truck pulling up with bouncy ears on the roof and logos all over it. It's important you find yourself a professional who understands the importance of discretion. Where do you most often learn about the challenges your competitors are having? Whether it be good or bad, it's coming from one of your purveyors more than likely. The produce guy, the beer guy, the guy who cleans your beer taps, any number of them. Make sure you're discreet in front of them, because just as much as they enjoy telling you about other restaurants, they enjoy telling those people about you. Keep it discreet, stop everything when they come in, and resume when they're gone. It'll serve you well. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.